5 tips to know about the writing subtest. The first one is a 180 to 200 word limit. Which part of the letter is counted? It is only the main body of the letter which starts after reference and before your closing sentence, that is if you have any queries. It is about 4 to 5 paragraphs. The second is about connectors. Try to avoid connectors such as furthermore, moreover, besides, meanwhile, apart from that, later on, thereafter. Avoid using also, so, and, but at the beginning of a sentence. Use recommended connectors given here if required, such as however, therefore, although, unless, subsequently, additionally, otherwise, clearly, despite, consequently, while, later, further, and so on. Next, it's about the date in OET letter. The position of the date can be either above or below the address as you prefer. But the date of the letter should be written in full form. Slashes are not for formal letters. Maybe inside the paragraph you can. The fourth, avoid had, and it is an overused verb. Try to replace it with main verbs. As an example, she had surgery some months ago can be written as she underwent knee surgery some months ago. Switch had with main verbs. At last, avoid contractions such as can't, don't, use cannot, do not. Thank you.